Hello guys, in this video we see how to upgrade Huawei AP through Huawei AC. So just go here in controller, maintenance, device upgrade, and here in device upgrade just go in AP upgrade. In AP upgrade select a new task, new upgrade task. Here there are two options. One is batch upgrade, where you can upgrade the multiple APs, and here is single. So I will have a single, so I will upgrade my single AP. So just select that AP and then go down. So you have two options, either you want to go for firmware system file or patch file. So I will just go for system file. So here is my current running system file of version 23. So I will upload from here the latest version of 24. So here is 24 I have already downloaded. Just select and upload of your respective device. So just click OK. So after it will go upload. So firstly it will go upload, and then it will the device will go reboot, your AP will go or reboot. So after reboot your AP will upgrade to 24 version, and then automatically added to that WLAN controller. So here I have uploaded the firmware. So just select that latest firmware of 24. I have select and then OK. And then you can see a system upgrade file is V600R24. Just select OK. So I am only upgrading system file, not patch file of Huawei AP. So just click OK. So once it will upload, the device will go restart. So here you have to wait. So now you can see here the upgrade task, wait, download. So first of all your the device, your AP will download that firmware from your AC. So here you have see the start the download. 60% download is complete, 90%. After some time it will upgrade successfully, and it will give a notification that your firmware is upgrade to your AP successfully. So AP will go on resetting, restart. So after reboot, your AP come back and your version will reflect to R24. So here is now 24. Now you can see that successfully the upgrade the device, and device is restarting. So after restart your device will come on version V24. So this is how you can upgrade the firmware of Huawei AP via Huawei controller, WLAN controller. Inside the WLAN controller you can upgrade your APs. Either you can upgrade single APs the selected, or you can batch your all AP you can upgrade. Hope you like the video. Thank you very much.